Hi guys, we are so happy to welcome you to our channel, and today we will talk about the TikTok app and how to add the selected TikTok on your account to the playlist. So let's check our video to the very end. As you can check, here is our official TikTok. Guys, don't forget to subscribe it, because here you can find really very interesting videos and cool content. So guys, how to add video to the playlist? Let's choose one of the videos and tap on this three dots icon. Here we have the add to list option and click on the playlist we want to add. For example, I want to add it to the website and tap on the add. If you want to create a new playlist, let's tap on the first option and set the name for the selected playlist. For example, I don't know, hello, default one. And click on the create playlist. Sorry, I won't do it because I don't have any access to save some changes for the official TikTok, but I can add the selected video to the website playlist. Let's tap on the add. Well done! As you can check, guys, here we have the playlist website option inscription, and after clicking on it, we will get access to the whole website's playlist on our account, and we can smoothly find all videos on this topic and go to the selected TikTok. So guys, it's very easy to do, but remember that a lot of different options are hidden for a lot of users on TikTok, and you can get new access to the new options only after you have 1000 people subscribed on your channel. So guys, if you don't have this number of followers, unfortunately you probably won't have this feature on your account. But don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and tricks about the TikTok and other programs. Good luck guys, goodbye!